Unit 8, Vocabulary. Making requests and asking for advice. Yourself, myself. Mean, purpose. Instructions, explanation. If, suppose. Problem, double X, problem. To bring here. Deliver here, deliver there. Do you mind? Do you mind? Can I request, make a request, ask? Let's see. Why not? Why not? To try. Try. To use or use. Use or use. To show up, appear. To arrive. To fall behind. To catch up. To volunteer. To set up. To assemble or put together, or assemble and put together. To plan. To postpone. To order. Type something up. To make or produce. To download. To transfer. To print. To film. To undertake or take. Cancel. Draw an X on your palm. Cancel. Run out of. Miss. To miss something. To decide. 1 to F's. To irritate, annoy, bother. Reprimand, bawl out. Ignore. Return in exchange. Leave behind. To wonder, or with one hand, wonder. Curious. Clueless. I've been to. To lose something. To lock something. To finish. To complete. Happened. Usually. Begin or start. Later. Semester. Fall. Winter. Spring. Summer. Always. Every year, annually. All day. All night. Stop. Late. Wait. Last. Last time. Long time. Short time. recently, hurry, the internet, a flight, address, pay, park, video phone, film here, film this way, video phone, overtime, renovation, car accident, laptop, a neighbor, your boss, a test, a vacation, a trip, open, closed, gas, empty, the 25 hand shape, gas, empty, and paint.